what's up? I hope that y'all's day is off to a great start. As summer approaches and it starts to get hotter outside, we decided we were gonna make some protein ice cream. This is pretty cool because a lot of moms out there ask for something that they could have with their kids. I think this would be great for kids, and you could get some protein and some fruits in their diet that way. So this recipe is from Mason Woodruff. His Instagram is Mason_Woodruff. His blog is masonfit.com. He's one of my favorite guys to follow to get recipes from. If y'all don't follow him, you should definitely go follow him. He has a ton of macro-friendly recipes on his blog. So let's go ahead and get started. You're gonna need a food processor or a blender. It doesn't matter, I just think the food processor works a little bit better. So this is 140 grams of frozen mango, and then 140 grams of frozen blueberries, and then 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. I'm using PE Science. And then you need 4 ounces of, I'm using coconut milk, but you could use whatever kind of milk, almond, Fairlife, whatever suits you best. Right on the dot.
On the money.
And, all right, so this is what it looks like once you have combined it all together. You have to let it go for probably, how long do you think, a minute?
A minute and a half. It looks like it doesn't.
Yeah, whenever it first gets going, it looks kind of crumbly and like not like ice cream, but you just have to let it sit, and then it'll kind of turn into this really good ice cream consistency. Like, look at that. All right, so there's our final product. If you have an ice cream scoop, it scoops out really well, but I don't. It'd be really good with some chocolate chips, and you can kind of change this up however you want. The thing that makes it work really well is the mango. If you eat frozen mango by itself, it's kind of like, it has like a good soft consistency, and so that's kind of what makes this ice cream-ish. So I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Let us know if you try it out. Tag us on Instagram, and we'll be seeing y'all soon.